Hi, my name is Hans Kroes and I head up the Center of Excellence for S/4HANA Public Cloud. In this micro-learning we will talk about the introduction of S/4HANA Cloud and its proposition, how we innovate for purpose, how we accelerate to standardize, and how we run live to execute. I'll also talk about the innovation cycles as well as the look and feel of the solution itself. Welcome to the SAP S/4HANA Cloud Introduction and Overview. My name is Hans Kroes and I'm responsible for the Center of Excellence at SAP S/4HANA Cloud. In the next slides we'll take you through the background and history of SAP S/4HANA Cloud, the value proposition, the release cycles, as well as a bit of the look and feel of the solution itself. SAP S/4HANA was introduced in February 2015 as the new product and next generation ERP for our customer base. This product is based upon the 45 years of history that we've gained across the industries around all sorts of ERP processes, and now combining it with the in-memory technology database and tooling of SAP HANA. And while releasing this to market as an on-premise solution, at the same time we've been developing the SAP S/4HANA Intelligent ERP as a Service, which is the full software as a service public cloud solution that we can offer to our customer base today. A true SaaS application where our customers consume the business processes, innovated by quarterly updates, pre-configured with guided configuration and dynamic extensibility. In the next slides I will talk more detail about this topic, in how we innovate for purpose, how we standardize to accelerate, and how we run live to execute. These are also the three main pillars that we have for our solution. Whatever we innovate needs to have the purpose of the customer. We standardize in order to allow our customer base to accelerate in every business outcome that they wish to have and adopt any innovation quickly. And finally, they need to run live to execute. If we look at the SAP S/4HANA Cloud solution itself, it's based upon the real-time foundation coming from the in-memory technology. It is a full in-memory database with all sorts of tooling, enabling our enterprise business software application and processes to run as smoothly and live as possible. The Intelligent Core delivers us core finance capabilities, from AP, AR, GL to anything around that, and then extending into enterprise management for procurement, procure to pay, for order to cash, for example, into the professional services areas and industry specifics play, and into the manufacturing for discrete as well as process manufacturing capabilities. All what we do in SAP S/4HANA Cloud is driven on customer roadmap. All customers give input, which we then put into our roadmap and provide the full view for the next 3 releases to come in what we are planning to ship in terms of capabilities. Not only is the customer driving this, we're also looking at continuous innovation based upon the latest technologies. And it is all process related. For example, how can we apply machine learning capabilities to optimize invoice matching? Finally, in extensibility, will allow our customer base to tailor the solution much more to their needs by adding fields on screens or providing specific reports there. If this all would not be enough to tailor the solution to the needs of your customer, then we could also extend this through our platform as a service, SAP Cloud Platform. Here we provide additional tooling like an SDK for iOS to natively build device-specific applications for iPhone and iPad, or to integrate to any SAP or non-SAP application in order to maintain an end-to-end process. And finally, SAP itself, but also a customer or partner can build specific applications on the cloud platform to extend the capabilities. Not only do we deliver the platform, we also connect natively to our line of business applications in the cloud. Concur for expense management and travel, SuccessFactors for HR, Hybris for customer engagement and commerce, Ariba for procurement, and Fieldglass for contingent workforce management. Not only do these solutions offer data integration, on top of that they also offer native process integration. So we can ensure that the end-to-end processes between our line of business cloud solutions and the Intelligent Core run smoothly and are being monitored by SAP. Next to this, you could further extend into the SAP Analytics Cloud for additional reporting, SAP Integrated Business Planning for supply chain specific processes, SAP Leonardo for technologies like machine learning, IoT and blockchain, and furthermore SAP Central Finance to connect in a 2-tier strategy to your core ERP on-premise or business planning and consolidation for all sorts of planning and consolidation processes. We also standardize to accelerate on all of the processes that we deliver. And in the 6 pillars that you see here, from streamlined procure to pay, accelerated plan the product, optimized order to cash, core finance, project services, and HR connectivity, we have pre-configured each business scenario and the details there. You see here the end-to-end processes per line of business area, and within this we have the different scope items. Each of these are being reviewed on a quarterly basis to see how we could further extend or enhance them to offer the needs of our customers. We do this through 4 release cycles per year, and we deliver this through what we call customer lifecycle management, ensuring that our customers always work on a standardized solution and can move to the next release smoothly, in a smooth way, as a next step. SAP S/4HANA Cloud runs live to execute. It's all real-time, meaning transactions and analytical information reside in one single in-memory platform and database. The example I've given here, event-based revenue recognition, is a typical example out of the professional services industry, where we can now, with a time entry which is being booked on a time and expense or fixed price project, simulate what the end bill would be for that specific entry, and then make the necessary accounting postings as such, allowing companies in professional services to see what revenue they can recognize instantly, rather than doing this at the end of a period. Next to this, it's also connected natively to the line of business cloud, fully API based, and with that a very open system to connect to whatever source needed to cater for the end-to-end processes. It also allows you for responsive design, meaning that our applications fit to the screen where they're being displayed on, whether this is a smartphone, a tablet, or a desktop. It would fit to that specific need. And as a public cloud, it can be accessed from anywhere, being it available in the public space. Our cloud innovation cycles come with 4 releases per year. Today we are on the 17.05 release, and already you could see what we are planning for 17.08, meaning 2017-08 stands for August, 11 stands for November this year, and February next year, 2018-02. Our roadmap talks about what we deliver today and what's coming in the next 3 releases. And at the bottom you could see that as this is the exact same data model and product from a source code perspective as the SAP S/4HANA on-premise, we can bring back whatever we build in cloud back to the on-premise where we see fit. The SAP S/4HANA on-premise comes with a yearly innovation cycle. SAP S/4HANA Cloud delivers what we call unmatched user experience, and this view gives you in the center a view about the launchpad where the end user would see his or her respective capabilities or what she can do. It's all role-based, so in this perspective and example, the internal sales representative would directly see what's open in sales, what they would need to do. The numbers on the tiles represent either a number of activities he or she needs to execute, could be numbers reflecting analytical views, or in red, like it says 1.96 million, it would indicate an alert where the user can directly click on the tile, see the details, and act upon them from an insight to action capability. On the left-hand side, the Me area is where the end user could personalize the settings by changing the screen colors, for example, into a different format, by entering some default values that would be copied into the screens, or to even see the recent activities to quickly go there. The SAP S/4HANA Cloud also comes with a Google-based search. Any object in the system is automatically indexed and can be searched for. So you could enter a customer name, a material number, or even a document number and easily find that context in which you are allowed to see and act upon it. On the right hand side you see the notification screen. The notifications can be workflows that you need to approve or need to review. There could be collaboration with a user in your same team that is asking you a question about a certain screen and sends you a screenshot to review that and act upon it. These notifications we are further enhancing as we go along by utilizing the latest technologies like machine learning as we move from one release to the next. And with this, I wanted to provide you a quick overview about S/4HANA Cloud as an introduction, the scope of what we deliver, how we deliver this in the 4 release cycles, as well as a bit of the overview on the user experience. Thank you.